So in this lecture we are going to perform some practical operations using NumPy. So what from where we start? I am creating two simple array, something like you can say cyclist data. Okay, so I am creating two simple array, like first cyclist trial, and I am taking another array as second cyclist trial. So let me provide some value. A value can be 10, 15, 17, and 26, and another value can be 12, 11, 13, 21. These are the two simple array that I am creating. Run this. So since it is a simple array, so we still need to convert this array into NumPy array. So how we will convert that? NP first cyclist trial. Similarly, we can do for the second cyclist as well. Now for converting this, we need to do np dot array, and we will pass the simple array first cyclist trial. For second also we will do the same. If we are doing this, then we will get the NumPy array. Now our two NumPy array is created. So if I want to if I want to calculate the total distance, if I want to calculate the total distance, then total distance means the distance covered in first trial and the distance covered in second trial, means sum of distance covered in first trial and with the distance covered in second trial. So let me do this. Total distance equals first trial plus second cyclist trial. This is the total distance. The name first cyclist, I'm getting the error, first cyclist trial is not defined. Let me copy the name. No, we are getting this. We are getting this because we have to use this name NP first cyclist trial plus NP second cyclist trial. NP. Now the answer is not coming, so we have to print this total distance. So this is the total distance. The element wise calculation is done. Element wise calculation is completed here. Okay, first element of first cyclist trial sum up with second element of the second cyclist trial. In this way we have to proceed.